Do calories matter? Kind of, but not really. Let me explain. I'm Carolyn Williams, award-winning dietitian and lead nutritionist for CookingLikeDiet.com. For years, we've focused on the calories in, calories out concept, meaning that to lose weight, the calories that you took in each day from food and drink needed to be less than the calories that you were burning. But if you've ever followed a low-calorie diet or watched calories, you've probably noticed that the math just doesn't always seem to add up when you step on the scale. Part of that has to do with the body being a lot more complex than simple math. But the other part has to do with the nutrients in those foods. Look at this. This is 1,400 calories. A coffee drink, bagel, sub sandwich, some chips. Now, look at this. This is also 1,400 calories from the Cooking Like Diet. Scrambled eggs, a pita pizza, beefy sheet pan nachos, several snacks. It's a lot more food. And this is a great example of how looking at just the calories doesn't necessarily determine the healthfulness of the food. This is also why looking at just calories shouldn't be your only concern when you're trying to lose weight. So do calories matter? Technically, yes, because calories are what we base our underlying nutrient needs on. Also, in excess of any calories from any food, carbohydrate, fat, protein, can cause you to gain weight. But you don't necessarily need to focus your weight loss on a specific calorie goal. You need to also look at the foods within those calories and the nutrients in them. And also, focusing on high-quality foods when you're trying to lose weight has a big impact on satiety, energy, hunger, and cravings. So how do you focus on enjoying good food without worrying about calories? Focus on whole, less processed foods, simple, family-friendly recipes. Or you can find a meal plan that helps you do that.
I think before the Cooking Light Diet, diet food meant rabbit food, and not diet food meant whatever I wanted. And there was very little in between for me. And I think that's why in the past diets never worked. It's variety. And so that fridge is full of tons of variety, but all very healthy and very balanced variety.
Next time, it's all about carbohydrates. Are they good? Are they bad? Find out on CookingLikeDiet.com.